In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monetize your blog with Google AdSense in just 5 minutes. So you're running your blog, you're pouring your heart and soul into it, but now you're ready to start earning some income. That's where Google AdSense comes in, a simple and effective way to make money by displaying ads on your site. Let's dive right into the steps to get you set up. First, you'll need to navigate to Google AdSense. You can easily find it by searching Google AdSense or by going directly to their site. Once you're there, you'll see a welcoming page dedicated to website monetization. It provides an overview of how AdSense can help you earn money by displaying relevant ads on your blog. This is a great way to understand what to expect and get a feel for the platform. Next, you're going to click on the Sign In button. If you already have a Google account, you can use your credentials to log in. Otherwise, you'll need to set up a new account, which is a straightforward process. Google AdSense integrates seamlessly with your existing Google account, making it easy to manage all your Google services from one place. Once you've signed in, navigate to the AdSense homepage. It's good to familiarize yourself with this dashboard because it will become a central part of how you manage your monetization strategy. The homepage provides a clean layout with easy access to all the tools and resources you'll need. Now, look for the Sites tab. It's usually located in the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will take you to an area where you can manage and add sites. This is essentially where you'll tell Google AdSense which blogs or websites you want to monetize. The next step involves adding your blog as a new site. Click on the New Site button you see. It's a simple process where you input the URL of your blog. This step is crucial because it lets Google know which site you're planning to monetize, and it helps them ensure the ads are displayed correctly. Finally, once you've added your blog, click on Add Site. This action submits your site for approval. Google will then review your site to ensure it complies with their program policies. It can take a little time, so be patient. If everything checks out, they'll approve your site and you'll be ready to start displaying ads and earning revenue. That's all there is to it. By following these easy steps, you're well on your way to monetizing your blog with Google AdSense. Remember, while setting up is straightforward, the key to earning more is by creating valuable content that attracts a steady stream of visitors. Keep producing great content, engage your audience, and watch your earnings grow with AdSense. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.